His speeches go.
Let's put this down.
All right, softness.
Let's go from the first day. Let's go from the first day I met this young lady. She was 1 year old.
Wow.
She looked at me, I looked at her, and that was it. She had my wallet from that day.
Great job.
But, you know, I can say one thing, that even though I stepped in as a stepdad, this girl has never one day in her life turned around and disrespected her.
Amen.
No matter what argument, what disagreement we got into, she's never turned around and said, "You're not my dad, you can't tell me what to do." And I can definitely say I love her for that.
Yeah.
You know, I'm super, super proud of her. And came a long way. And you know, I'm just excited for what her future holds for her and the direction that she's going. And I just want her to know that I'm always going to be a phone call away, regardless of what. Even if it's some dude that trying to turn around and get ignorant, I'm super phone call away.
That's a long phone call away.
We're gonna call the police.
I love you. And we got everybody that's here, everybody that showed up, everybody got your back.
Yeah.
And that's, whoever is here tells the story that they all got your back, right? And everybody here loves you, and I love you.
Love you, boo.
Some boy I don't in a dream, them no want see the next
Not me? Oh. So, Jaden, you know I'm a man of few words. I don't really speak that often. Thank you, guys.
Say it again. It's a new year.
But, you know, one thing that I've learned from you is that young people can still do well. You restore my faith in young people. We've had many conversations in the pool, some appropriate, some not so appropriate, but we have real conversations. And I know that you you laugh because I know you know exactly what I'm talking about. But you know, you set a great example. You know, I never felt a way about leaving you in charge of everybody. Literally, for real, like everybody. Two younger cousins and your brother. I would just leave. I'd say as long as Mooka got there, I know everything's gonna be all right. The house is still gonna be intact, no problems. And that's what remains true. So when you go away to school, those lessons that you learn as a young lady, apply them as a young adult. We are all proud of you. We love you very much. And I'm gonna go back to drinking, so I talk to you.
I'm gonna piggyback off of what he said, right? Because Kaden called me last night. He was like, "Dad, I'm trying to stay outside till 11 o'clock." And Jaden, I said, "What'd she tell you?" She said, "Come inside. Come inside."
That's what he said. Got inside.
This is my dad.
All right.
Right? He graciously allowed us to have this event here. So we're super thankful for that.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, guys. But I'm going to follow up from Lincoln when he said that when he first met Jaden. Well, from when I first met Jaden also, she was so respectable to me. She always called me Grandpa. And up to today, she calls me Grandpa. And I gotta say congratulations to you for your achievement within your education. And you have a long way to go. And I'm looking forward to that maximum achievement towards you. And you always respected me, young lady. And I love you. I wish you the best. Thank you.
boyfriend, guys. This is the boyfriend. The bae.
I'll just say be safe. I love you. And yeah.
It's a start. A great start.
Anybody else? Anybody else? Come on, I know somebody got something to say. Come on.
For supporting me and coming today in my whole life journey.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers.
Do it all, anything we want. Jaja make it start out. I feel work, sun and shine till it breaks down. When I say hungriness, me nah know. Me nah look. Look at my friends, them all bout. I alive. Get a wine, get a drink, get a sign. Rich and most carry high. Oh, we cutting the cake? Alright, people don't go too far. We are cut the cake right here, no?
Sunday morning vibes in the Grosvenor's kitchen / backyard. Bobby, what you doing?
Gonna roast 2 breadfruit.
Lovely.
Some saltfish. I practice it for when I have trouble so you can deport me. You still can remember who the boat thing in the yard.
Oh, Jesus, help me.
But try to get different everybody. Up. That's what my mother-in-law. Come on, mother-in-law. Keep going here, man.
So hubby's here catching the fire to roast the breadfruit them. Sunday morning vibes.
Who's Hobby? Hobby or Hobby?
Roast breadfruit, ackee and saltfish.
You got Ackee?
Yeah, man. And some saltfish and some beans.
Vegetarian beans.
Vegetarian beans. What you guys know about that? Drop a comment down below and tell me what you eat your breadfruit with. Tell us what you eat your breadfruit with. Or what's your favorite Sunday morning meal? What you having this morning for breakfast? Giving God thanks for life. That one is ready for picking. Look nice and juicy. If we didn't have so many things in the way, I probably would. What you said?
What kind of stick this?
That's not stick.
Look.
That's wood.
Nah, it's not wood.
That's wood.
I don't care the wood. It's stick.
It is called wood.
This is called stick.
WOOD. Wood.
Sticks.
Guys, this is called stick. This is a stick. See this? This is called a stick.
How many are on it?
Called a wood.
This is called sticks.
It is called wood.
Where sticks come from?
It come from a tree.
And where this come from?
A tree.
Okay then.
It called wood.
Thank you.
Big things is called wood. It is big. It is called wood.
Unfortunately for you.
Oh, the bird ate it?
Yep.
Wow. No wonder why it was looking so pretty.
Well, I ain't seen one. They might want to
Wow.
So what we do is serve blessing on it and bury it. And if God gives him or take up a it.
Oh.
That's sweet. You put it back in the dirt.
You see the backyard, hubby? Paint it up, make it look nice and fresh. Even the concrete over there. So it used to look like this. Yeah. Breadfruit going in the fire. All right, guys. So the breadfruit done roasting. So here you have the beans, vegetarian beans with some saltfish. I'll give you guys a close up. And this is called a breadfruit bowl. A breadfruit bowl. I did not film me making the vegetarian beans and the saltfish. I'll do another video on that one. Or maybe I have a video up already about me making the beans and the saltfish. We're gonna indulge, we're gonna eat it. We're gonna give God thanks for what we have this morning. And we will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And leave a message down below to let us know what you're having for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Whenever time this video may reaches you all. All right. Thank you guys for always coming out and checking out the Governor's lifestyle. We will see you in the next video. Peace. And this is the Ackee and Saltfish bowl. Ackee and saltfish with roast breadfruit. This is called a bowl. All you do is to scoop out the middle of the breadfruit and put whatever you choose to eat your breadfruit with. We are having breakfast. We choose to do it Caribbean style this morning. So we're just having ackee and saltfish and some roast breadfruit. Yum, yum, yum. So hubby's about to dig into his breadfruit bowl.
Nice.
It's good.
Yeah, man. Give me a picture. I want this video too. Take it send it to you, man. Get me one of this picture. Well, that is it, peeps.
Don't forget, if you will try this, let us know. Cheers.